The back of your chair has two pre-drilled holes for the trunk support. Your trunk support came with two screws. I have one up top here. They work with a 5mm Allen key that we supplied with the chair. All you do is take these screws, and you're going to screw it in. I put one in the top, one in the bottom, screw them all the way in, and then it's attached to the chair. I'll take this off. And I'll go to the other side and I'll show you all the adjustments. The first adjustment you see is this screw right here. Again, 5mm. If you loosen it up, you can adjust the height of the trunk support. The other piece we have here, and it's inside here, 5mm again, is the set screw for the angle. So if you look at the angle here, and when I pull this up, the trunk support swings out, and then it goes back in, and it locks. I can change the angle it locks at by loosening the screw, swinging it out to whatever angle I want it at. Then I tighten it up. Now, when I pull this, you can see it swings away, but it locks at that set angle. The other part of the chair you have to put together on the trunk support, which I have here, is the trunk support itself. This piece, it's separate in the box. Make sure this screw is loose. You pull it, put it in a little way, then you can tighten it up. And when you go to adjust it, you can pull it in and out till you get the right depth. All three of these adjustments work together to get this trunk support in the right position. Typically, you want to move this up a little bit because if I go too far down, then the backrest itself is going to get in the way. And I wouldn't tighten it up yet, but sit in the chair and you loosen the set screw. You get this set at the right angle. You get this set at the right depth. When you have all those in place, tighten up, move that back. Tighten up all three of these screws. And now the trunk support is set. When I pull this up, it swings out of the way if you're getting into and out of the chair. Once you're seated, you just swing it over and it locks in the correct position every time. The typical correct position for the trunk support is underneath your armpit, tucked in, about as high up as it can go comfortably. You can see how it sits out back. So that's how you want to try to get this one set up when you first try it. When you have it set up, use it for a little bit. You see all the adjustments over time. We'll figure out what you like and what works for you. You can always change it later.